हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Today we discuss about most important concept of money banking. Today topic is the Reserve Bank of India was established in 1935 under the under the provision of Reserve Bank of India India Act 1934 in Calcutta. Eventually moved permanently to Mumbai. Through originally private owned, was nationalized in 1949. The Reserve Bank of India affairs are governed by central boards of directors. The is appointed by the Government of India for the period of 4 years under the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. The main role and function of RBI, monetary authority, formulate, implements, and monitors the monetary policy for maintaining the price stability, keeping the inflation in check, and ensuring the adequate flow of credit to protective sector. Second, regulator and supervisor of the financial system lay out the parameters of banking operation within which the country banking and financial system functions for maintaining public confidence in the system, protecting deposits interest and providing cost-effective banking service to the general public. Regulator and supervisor of the payment system. Authorized setting of the payment system that the lay down standard of for working of the payment system and policy for encouraging the government from paper-based payment system to electronic model of the payment, setting up of the regulatory framework of never payment methods, and enhancement of customer convenience in payment system to improving security and efficiency in model of payment. Manager to foreign exchange. Reserve Bank of India manage forex under the FEMA Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 in order to facilitate external trade and payment, promote the development of foreign exchange market in India, issue currency. Reserve Bank of India issue and exchange currency as well as destroyed currency and point not fit for circulation to ensure that public has adequate quantity of supply of currency notes and in good quality. Development rule. Reserve Bank of India wide range of promotional functions to support national objectives. Under this setup, institutions like NABARD, IDBI, CDB, NHB, etc. Banker to the government perform merchant banking function for central bank and state government also at their banks. Banker to banks. An important role and function of Reserve Bank of India is to maintain the banking account for all scheduled bank and act as the banker of last resort and agent of Government of India in the IMF. Thank you. In next lecture, we will discuss about monetary policy of Reserve Bank of India. Thank you.